All right, it's 11:26 today, and we're dealing with a Whirlpool model WDF520PADM7. So the operator of this Whirlpool, the owner says that like halfway through the cycle it just stops.
Hey kids, here's some soda.
And
No soda? Yeah. What do they drink? Water?
Yeah, water or milk or juice.
Yeah. Orange juice. Oh, sorry, only got soy
we got
milk.
water.
Soy milk. Okay, yeah. Soy milk.
So mommy, this thing like halfway it just stopped working,
Yes.
but the water is drained though. It doesn't get clogged.
Right.
Okay. And does it even get hot when whatever is working? It is hot. And do you see water being sprayed though? It is wet somewhere?
Yeah, okay, nó spray, I saw him spray, I just spray.
Okay.
I có lùm hơi.
Now this problem, did it happen like slowly or it just like boom?
Boom.
Boom. And how long have you been living with the problem?
Just probably a couple weeks. Hey kids, be careful now, okay? Be careful.